welcome to my screencast about my HyperDoc. So my HyperDoc, I use this as the template. It has engage, explore, and explain, and I changed a few pieces down here, just explain how I explained it, and then having them also explain it, and then that's the only thing I changed. So light and sound I chose, and then I put the run over there. Engage, they're going to look around the classroom and they're going to fill out these questions. And then explore, they're going to watch a video and then fill out these questions. They're going to read books from Epic, and then they're going to answer these questions. And then they'll view the little article that I gave them. There's like pictures on there. And they'll fill out these questions. And then they'll listen to a video that has them choose which household item, what household item is making the sound, so they can do that video and interact with that video, and then I have them actually answer some questions here. And then my explain is me explaining at first what a sound is, what light does, how light travels, what sound is made out of, and then I have them explain as well in this. They'll explain what they learned, and then they'll draw a picture or write. Well, they're going to draw and write, and then they'll answer the questions after. And it changed that much. I just changed a few of the explain from over here, as they just have this here. But other than that, I didn't really change much. I could use this in the classroom for when they're maybe a sub. They can have students follow these instructions to make it go smoothly. This could also be helpful for children that work better on their own pace, because it allows them to work on their own pace and allows them to think how they want to think. You can obviously use this in my future classroom to make the students think harder, due to them having to come up with the answers. My IST standard is 1.3 knowledge structure, and then the indicator is 1.3 effective research strategies. That is right here. And I said that I think this connects to my HyperDoc because students use digital resources such as videos, books, pictures, and sound clips to learn about light and sound. They use the HyperDoc to find information, answer questions, and show what they learned. My neuroscience content standard would be SC 1.2 and then 1.21, and then the indicator is 1.21A, which is right here. Gathering, analyze, and communicate evidence of light and sound. Then connect investigations to provide evidence that vibrating materials can make sound, and that sound can make materials vibrate. And then I said this connects to my HyperDoc because students watch, review, and listen to learn how the sound comes from vibrations and how light helps us see objects. They also apply their learning by getting examples of light and sound. I also forgot to add what was challenging about creating my HyperDoc. I think the only thing that was really challenging was trying to find different videos, articles, things that they could view easily, and things that they could listen to for first graders, just because they're still on a lower grades, and it's kind of hard for them to read alone or to work alone, and they usually need help guided through it. Thank you. Bye.